PS Corbyn is here. PS, what are you doing here? Let me ask you a simple question, PS. Now, stop. You're not with the protest here, are you?
Of course I am, yeah.
You are. So let me quick question. Between the Muslims and Israel, who is the only side with a explicitly stated objective of genocide?
Well, Israel.
How do you know this? Please give me reference.
Well, they're doing it.
But PS, you're an Englishman.
They're doing it, and they
You're
say
English. You're English.
They do. They've said it, yeah.
Yeah.
My
English is my second language.
Okay,
So, so please listen to my question again. It's a simple question. Between Israel and the Muslims, who has an explicitly stated genocidal objective? That's the question asked.
Yeah, no,
who has an explicitly stated genocidal
The answer
objective?
is Israel.
Pia, have you ever read the Quran or not?
I've read bits of it, but I haven't read the whole Quran. No.
But here is the problem, and that's why you're unable to answer the simple question I've asked. If you had read the Quran, you would know, and therefore you wouldn't actually show up here in support of what is happening here. You would not.
I'm against genocide.
I am against genocide also, and that is exactly why. And I completely on that we agree. Both of us agree that we are against genocide. The only question is who is committing that. That's the only place where we disagree.
Israel.
And that is where I am asking you, I'm telling you that you haven't learned the Quran and therefore you can't make an informed judgment. P.S. Read the Quran to make an informed judgment. Before reading the Quran, your judgment will be uninformed. That's not a good idea for a person of your stature. What do you think, sir? For a person of P.S.'s stature, should he read before he comes to a judgment?
I think Piers has answered your question.
I know, he has essentially said that he doesn't know. That's what he has said. Do you think? You said you don't know the Quran.
Oh, the Quran, I haven't read.
And you also did not answer the question I asked. Explicitly stated genocidal objective. You didn't ask. You didn't answer. Sorry. P.S. Maybe next time you come to Speaker's Corner, you can respond. Next time. Anyway, so this is what's happening, my dear friends. This is what's happening. Okay. PS Corbyn is here. PS, what are you doing here? Let me ask you a simple question, PS. Now, stop. You're not with the protest here, are you?
Of course I am, yeah.
You are. So let me quick question. Between the Muslims and Israel, who is the